guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a slow Tuesday and I am running to Kohls to test out the Amazon return services that are now available inside each Kohls. I've never been before. I've only ever done Amazon returns at the Amazon stores, so we're gonna see how easy this is. Hopefully it'll be just as easy as Amazon. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm also gonna do some Kohls returns while I'm there, knock out two birds with one stone. I'm cautiously optimistic about the Kohls experience because generally speaking, I think that doing Amazon returns at Kohls would be easier and like less people to compete with. I feel like there's only 3 or 4 little setup docks at the Amazon return stores. And I mean, it might be different because it's a real person, or maybe they have those things set up there too. I have no idea. We're gonna find out together. I'm gonna get my little return item and we're gonna go. So here's what I'm returning. It is a headband that I ordered thinking it would come in and be the right color, but it's like a really, I don't know, like stark white. You can even see against this prime packaging here the color difference, and I don't really like that it's kind of like messed up for the price. I feel like this was like $9 or $10. I wanted a little better quality, so this is what I'm returning at Kohls. Should be really easy because clearly like it's in its original packaging, not like I took off any tags or anything, and then it even has the original shipping label. Okay, so now we're gonna go attempt to do the return at Kohls. I'll let you guys know how it goes, but I kind of spent a lot of money at Target, so oops. So before I go into Kohls, I'm gonna go into my orders and say that I'm going to return it. Make sure that you do this before you go into the Kohls too. So here I'm gonna say that better price, the product damaged. I just don't like it. I'm just gonna say no longer needed. Okay, and then you select Kohls drop off as where you're going to return it. Okay, so right here it gets to say I have a smartphone, so this is how I'm going to be able to show them that I am returning my item. Okay, so overall, actually really easy. There was a bit of a line when we first got there, but pretty quick. All I had to do was show the QR code on my phone. They scanned it and then they instantly just took it away. The thing that is different about doing a drop off at Kohls versus at the actual Amazon location is that you have to start the order on your phone ahead of time versus normally I begin the order right when I get to the Amazon drop off pickup place. But if you forget to do that, you can honestly do that while you're in line at Kohls. That's what my friend did. You also get a percentage off of your purchase or a Kohls cash or some incentive for coming in store and doing it, which is also really nice if you're trying to do some shopping at Kohls. I honestly think that if you live close to a Kohls as opposed to a UPS store, an Amazon locker, or any of that stuff, it's definitely worth doing. I personally live closer to a UPS store, so I'll probably continue to do it there. Or if you're trying to make a purchase at Kohls, make sure your next Amazon return is done at a Kohls, so you'll get a little kickback from that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a couple people asking me how to do this, so I thought just walking you through the process with me and returning my headband would be fun. I'll be back next week with a new video, so make sure you are subscribed to see that. Bye guys.